Okay, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we are going to make this very, very interesting and we'll follow the sequence. For now, I want the band members of Pasuma to please come on stage. Band members of Pasuma to come on stage. Band members of Pasuma to come on stage. Band members of Pasuma to come on stage. Because we're about to recognize and invite more artists. For now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to recognize the presence of Sati Ramon is here. Some business tycoons are in this building. Sati Ramon is here. Kasim Otoran is here. Lukman Skin is here. These are supporters. Also here right now, Amongo is here. Amongo just entered. Amongo just entered. Baba Ogo is no longer Ogo, it's not Baba. All the way from Ogun State is in the building. He just walked in to pay tribute to his brother. Ladies and gentlemen, can I invite band members of Pasuma? Are we ready? Okay. All the way from your state, ladies and gentlemen, all the way from the Peseta state, a Fuji sensation, a wonderful musician, getting ready to tear the territory of this